Yo, 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 yo. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news source on YouTube. My name is Shamari Clark. Bang. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Now, guys, all right. So we have some great stories today. We have a special show. Well, it's not special, but it's just another great show, as usual. Aren't they all? All right. That's a little arrogant, Shamari. All right, guys. Bang, the world's biggest stock exchange launching a Bitcoin market. Bang. Here we go. Oh, Shamari's getting loose tonight. Friday night, boys. We're getting loose around these parts. Yo, we got biblical last night. You know what I mean? You feel the spirit? Oh, did you feel the spirit? Oh, I felt the spirit. How about to speak in tongues up in this motherfucker? Bang! We got the word last night. The word, Noah. Arkage. Full arkage. That's how shit went down last night. We got biblical. We got old time religion up in here last night. Bang. All right. Now, hold on, though. Let's get back to some cash. Man, do you feel the spirit, though? Boom. That's how shit goes down. Now, next story, second story. Bitcoin ETF? Oh, it's coming. But when? And that's what we'll discuss. There's a little, what do you call this? Debate in the markets and all this. Kind of when it's going to get here. And I told you guys my opinion. Personally, I don't think before the elections. Anyways, let's hear what this guy, he's an expert. He's a big guy. And I'm just a little, I'm just a little Forex trader here in South Beach. Just make my loot. Give my little opinion, but let's hear from an expert. Now, Coinbase. Oh, these sons of bitches here. You see how they trick everybody? You see how they're rocking? I'm going to tell you this now before we do the story. I believe that Coinbase is going to be the cryptocurrency portal of America. Straight up. They're moving so fast. They're murdering everybody. Nobody is doing what they're doing, and I'm going to read about it to you, and you can make your own decision. But I believe that Coinbase is going to be the cryptocurrency portal, however you say it, of porthole. That's when you fly through space, right? That's when like Star Wars, you meow or something. Whatever. Portal, Portal, portal of cryptocurrency in America, both for institutional and us, retail investors. And then we're going to get the shout outs. I'm going to do the last one on the honey miner. Actually, this thing is pissed me off. So this is the last time I'm going to tell you about that. And bang, airdrops. I know I haven't been doing them. I've been a little lazy. I got to trade, man. Guys, the Forex market, hurry up and wait. And man, I've had to... I've been watching all that this week. But bang, all these for the last 3 days I've missed. Bang, I'm going to rock them all out. So, let's get to what we usually do around these parts. As you know what we do. Bang. Wait, how are we banging? Bang. How are we banging now? Oh, yes. Bang. Yes. I mean, it's got to get chicken figured, guys. It's Friday night. I've already been getting the rocket fuel in. Bang. Oh, and she's working nice. All right, here we go. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Yield, Stellar, Litecoin, Cardano, IOTA, and bang, Tether takes it back. Hold on, who was up there last night? Hold on, who was it again? Oh, Tron. Man, Tron and Tether. But look at Neo and Moreno, too. Monero. They've been battling at the 12th and 3rd. I know I never talk about it, but I've been watching it. They're battling down there. Yes, battles. Yo, economic warfare. Yes. All right, brothers. Oh, what do we got here? So, low single digits down. Oh, IOTA. You like that? Man, I got shit tons of that. Bang. All right. What else we got? Low single digits up. Oh, who's that at 13? Bang, Ethereum Classic. Yo, we did that hard fork of that. I hope you guys were around when I did that with this channel. Back in the days. We did that one. Look at how much money it's making. That was a hard fork. We got all this loot. How many do I have? I think I had about 100 of them or something. Bang. Anyway, whatever. VeChain, they're still not. Oh, it is. It's the proper. Let's see if they're doing the proper VeChain price. Now they're showing VETs instead of VEN. Bang. All right, so you can get your VeChain prices, boys. I know everyone loves it. Bang. You know, I just got my first bag full, and I'm gonna get more. What? Why are they showing the? They're not. Oh, you see that though? They're not showing us the price. Hold on. Let me just refresh real quick. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna get you out of here. We're gonna do this show quick and get out of here. Wow. Depending on how the fuel hits me. Depending on how the fuel hits me. Oh. All right. Anyway, whatever. So low single digits up. Bang, 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 bang. Crypto land. Low single digits in crypto land. All right. Now, who's our top 10? Bang. Oh, Empower coin. Oh, that's an ugly chart right there, buddy. That's all manner of stupid. Anyway, 47%. Holy. So if you bought that last night, you pretty much doubled up. IOTA. No shilling. Let's move on. Komodo, MOAC. There's our Ethereum Classic that we flipped and hard forked earlier in the year. Bang, at 16. 14 up, but $16. Metaverse ETP, bang, 13. Tezos, bang. Walter Chain, bang. One Chain, and IOST. Oh, it's just pure bangage all night long. Hold on, let's even go down one more. Wax and H, whatever. Well, all right. Now you know what we got to do. Let's check out our market cap. 266. We're just between 250 and 300 billion. It looks like where the market cap has sort of stabilized or something, if you call it. Not or something. If you can, well, it's stabilized between that range. And, all right, well, that's how it goes. You know what I mean? We can't make it. Remember this. The markets will be wrong. The markets will be right a lot longer than you can be wrong. That's what we say in the forex markets. Guys don't want to set their stops. They believe that I'm right, my trade should work. And then the trade goes against them, and they won't stop out. They will just, it's going to turn, it's going to turn. Look, the market can be right for a lot longer than your account can afford, buddy. So cut that off. All right, that's a little trading insider talk. Let's go. Bang. Bang. Hold on. Let's get some fuel. Oh, I need fuel. Oh, tonight, though. Oh, I'm giving you guys some business. Oh, hold on. I'm giving you guys some fucking business. All right. Oh, really? Oh, she just... What happened? Hold on. Yes. Hold on. Bang. That's the angel of death. Actually, that's the guardian angel. Whoa, why is she doing that, though? What's going on? That's my financial guardian angel. Uh-oh. She's not happy. All right, guys, though, but let's just get to our story. Okay, guys. Sorry. All right, guys. What are we doing here? Yeah. Oh. True. All right, here we go. Here comes your money. Here comes your money. Schmar's going to tell you about the money you're getting. Here we go. Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, the owners, bang, the owners of the New York Stock Exchange has announced that they will list a physically settled Bitcoin futures contracts and form a new company whose mission is to make Bitcoin a mainstream financial asset. Bang. You understand that? Physically settled. Now let me tell you a little bit about the markets, boys. You know I've been in them for a few years. If you're new around these parts, my name's Shamari Clark. You can head over to forexfactory.com, type my name in, SHOMARI. Up at the top, bang, you'll see trades. Go down to the bottom, the middle on the left. You can look at the images. Those are real trades. You can go on the right, bang, and you can get my posts. You'll see my goods. Oh, the goods are dirty. Now, physically settled. That's the difference. Now let me teach people who don't know about the markets, a little bit about the markets. A futures contract. I taught you guys about a futures contract, so I'm not going to get into it too deep. But a futures contract is, so now I'm the investor buying the futures contract. Remember the other day I told it to you from the farmer's perspective? Today I'm going to teach it to you from the you guys, like the investor's perspective. So from the investor's perspective, I buy a Bitcoin contract, a futures contract, and I can either settle or not, or any futures. Like, let's forget Bitcoin, but just so I can buy a futures contract for, pork bellies or oranges or whatever, like all the commodities. But I don't have to actually take physical custody of it. Do you understand? So, okay, let me say it in this way. So soybeans, let's look at soybeans. I can buy a soybeans futures contract, and its value will go up as the price of soybeans go up, but I don't actually have to take physical custody. I don't have to take those soybeans. So the contract will be, say, for 6 months. So when 6 months rolls around, I sell that contract real quick, because there's a lot of guys who actually do want soybeans, right? In China, all over, they buy our soybeans. I mean, what is it? China buys, I think, 40% of America's soybeans. So if I want to make money off the futures, I'll buy soybeans, but then I'll sell it to someone just before the contract, because if you don't, for instance, okay, let me tell you about it like this. Now, if you buy a futures contract for, say, 1,000 head of cows, okay? Now, when the contract is about to end, you got to sell that contract. Because, I mean, not if you're a farmer, I guess you have but if you're just a person like me, you just have a little house. Motherfucker, though, do you know what'll happen? If you don't sell that futures contract, there's going to be a truck outside your house. They're going to unload 1,000 head of cattle on you, like at your house, buddy. That's what a futures contract is like. So you can either buy the futures and sell it just to make the money part, or you take what's called physical custody of the underlying asset. So in this example, it's a bunch of cows, 1,000 head of cattle. And if you don't sell that futures, buddy, there'll be trucks outside your house, and they'll be like, "Where do you want your cattle?" I'm just on South Beach. They're like, "Sir, where would you?" I'm just sitting there, get a knock on my door, I got my bottle with me, I'm just like, "Hi, can I help you?" "Hi, sir, we're blah, blah, blah from Argentina. We're bringing your head of cattle." You know what I mean? You look around the corner, right? So I got the door open like this, and I'm like, "What?" Look around the corner. These guys are just offloading cattle. Yo, what are you doing? "It's your futures contract, sir. Here's your cattle." So, anyway, okay, let's go on. But seriously. But the beauty is this. Now, yes. And that's the beauty of what we're talking about here. Sorry, I got a little wild there. Oh, the juice. It's already licking. Nice. They will list physically settled Bitcoins, which is good for us. That means whoever buys those futures, they have to take the Bitcoins. They don't get to be like, "Oh, yeah, I'm just selling this futures and get out." That's why, remember, the futures contracts came in, I think it was last November or December. But you notice it didn't affect the price of Bitcoin or anything. Yeah, because nobody wanted them. Nobody wants the Bitcoins. They just want to speculate with futures contracts. Remember I told you, I'm a Forex trader. I don't buy yen and pounds. I buy what's called a derivative. So I make money off yens and pounds and euros and everything going up and down. But I don't actually take physical custody of any of that. I just still have American dollars, right? It's called a derivative. It derives its value from the underlying asset, okay? That's why you got to keep coming here. You're going to actually learn some real knowledge. You really do. Because welcome to the trading world, people. The investment world. That's what you're in now. You're now investors. You know that, right? All your money, you're investors now. You're in the real world. Okay? Governments, regulators. Oh, yeah. All your money, you're investors now, people. Yes, welcome. Don't worry. Shamar is here to help. So that's the beauty, is that they're going to take physical custody, which are going to drive our holdings nicely. And they're going to form a company whose main mission is to make mainstream Bitcoins. And that's why you see how long I just talked on that little piece of physical Bitcoin on the futures? You know what a futures is now, don't you? All those other motherfuckers on here on YouTube, they ain't telling you that shit. They don't know that shit. You're doing the real deal around these parts, boys. Cryptocurrency blockchain news. Hold on. Let me even just do this. Bang. You're doing the real news around these parts. See that logo right there? Bang. That's your logo to riches. Bang. Now, ICE made the groundbreaking announcement on Friday, today, revealing that the new platform, Backed, has been developed in partnership with a variety of blockbuster names, including, and see, this is the kind of shit I'm talking about. And that's why I care. You know me, I don't give two fucks. But what? Microsoft. Bang. Starbucks. Bang. I like brand name business. Brand name stuff. NBCG, whoever they are. Now, Backed will integrate with ICE's U.S. futures market and clearinghouse to list physically, like I said, physically settled. In other words, if you buy their futures, you've got to take the Bitcoins. All right? That helps us. That helps you. Excuse me, helps me. They have to physically take them. Physically settled one-day Bitcoin futures products. So the futures that are out right now, I think you can buy them for 3 months. I think it's a 3 months futures. No, 1 day, brother. So you buy it today, bang, you're getting Bitcoin tomorrow. You're taking them, whether you like it or not. And that's what's good for us. Like I just explained, that whole tirade I just went on. Well, it wasn't a tirade. It was a lesson, really. But, yeah. All right. Complete with physical. Oh, so they're going to give them their future. All right. So let's start this again. We'll integrate blah, blah, blah clearinghouse to list a physically settled one-day Bitcoin futures product complete with physical warehousing, custodianship, managed in-house by ICE. This product will launch in November. But why? But what? Pending regulatory approval. And this is what I want to talk to you about. So I told you guys, we got elections in November. So these politicians, they're just going to be running around, shaking hands and kissing babies for the next few months, trying to get their votes. And so I don't really see them doing anything in Congress on this kind of crap. I told you they had, 17 regulatory days. What was that? That was like last week, right? So I'm sure it's down to like 14, 13 days now. They're not going to do fuck all for us. We need our bang. You know what we need? Oh, shit. There we go. Bang. So we need, it's all good out there, boys. It's all good. Still coming. But we need them to come. And so these guys said they want to get it done. So this product will launch in November. But why, though? But here's the caveat. Pending regulatory approval. The SEC people are still going to be on the job. But all these politicians, like I said, they're going to be shaking hands and kissing babies and promising everyone in the world. November is our election thing here. So I don't think they're going to do anything. But let's see what goes down. But it doesn't mean that when they get back, though. Remember, all right, election day is done. All right, well, they got to come back to work. And maybe then they rock us. Remember I told you about yesterday? I told you about lame duck Congress. Well, now you can vote for whatever the fuck you want. Like if you lost your election, fuck it. Even if you won it, fuck it. You can vote for anything now. The voters aren't going to remember in a couple of years what you voted for 2 years ago. They're not too... That's how it goes. They forget. So you can vote for anything now. So hopefully we'll get this done in November. Because it's what? Pending regulatory approval. Bang. All right. So because ICE, one of the biggest names in finance, will serve as what? Custodianship. One of the what? Who are they? They're one of the biggest names in finance. And they're going to do custodianship. You know I got to. How are we going to make our money? Custodianship. When are these guys going to bring us their money? When they've got custodianship. Yes. So, ICE, one of the biggest names, will serve as custodian. Bang! Get the fuck out of here. Bang. for all the assets stored on the back platform, institutional investors, bang, such as pensions, endowments, insurance companies. Maybe, what are they going to be? Of course they're going to be. It's not maybe. I tell you right now, they're going to be less hesitant to take a bet on this burgeoning asset class. What asset class is that, Shamari? Well, fuckstick. My fucking show's name is Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Bang! That asset. Oh, we're going real good now. We're going real good tonight. Look. As reported, analysts and others will, with knowledge of the institutional investing landscape, has consistently fingered a lack of a respected, regulated custodian. You see what I'm saying? That's what you're getting here, boys. That's what you're getting. I'm deep. 18 years deep. And that's why you know about custodianship. Tell me if anyone else is talking about custodianship out there in YouTube-verse. Those YouTubers. Yeah, those guys are YouTubers because that's their job. They need that to pay their rent. I make loot. I'm here to preach it. Bring the working man so that finally, for this once-in-a-lifetime chance, yes, the working man is going to get a piece of this action. Yes. All right. I'm getting a little revolutionary on you guys. Oh, man, if I told you really about me a little bit more, it'd be funny. No more slapping roaches, boys. We ain't going to be slapping roaches anymore. No. We're going to be lobster and steak around these parts soon enough. Hodl. And if you hear any bullshit, you just tell those motherfuckers to shut up. Because you're about this hodl life, baby. Yes. Oh, we'll get into that. We're going to... Look. Oh, I see where this is going. Already tonight. Man, we preached some Noah. Did you feel the spirit? Brothers? Ah, tonight. Yes, we're going to talk it. Yes, brothers, you're working now. Oh, you're working hard now. But you're talking to a market assassin. Yes, and this assassin, yes, he's arming his brothers. He's training his brothers. You see, this is like a training camp right here. And I don't want to say the words because I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want the FBI to come here and think, but like an Al-Qaeda training camp, right? Yes. I just grab them, make them jump through hoops, make them shoot stuff, training them. An army. For what? But what's our army? It's not for bad stuff. No, our army is this. We're going to take these guys' loot. We're going to sell them our warehouse. We're going to ride our ark. And we're going to sell them our warehouse. But it ain't over. All this shit is not over yet, boys. Once the warehouse is done, if they make this thing, I told you last week, and I'm going to start preaching now. If they make this thing start trading proper time frames, proper Fibonacci's and everything, this is going to turn from a cryptocurrency blockchain news show to cryptocurrency blockchain trading show. Oh, and I'm going to show you motherfuckers how to milk this cow for the rest of your life. Right? I'm a Forex trader. I can milk the Forex market forever. Anywhere. I can go to Thailand on the beach, wherever. I don't have to work ever. Just my passport, my laptop, and my debit card. Whoop! I live wherever I am, anywhere in the world. No one can stop me. That's how I'm going to make you. Anyways, we're going to get to that when that gets here. That's not now. All right. But it's coming. Oh, it's coming. If they do it proper, man. If they make this, because one thing, they're going to come get our goods. But then let's see if they make these exchanges put proper. Oh, let me tell you right now. I'll tell you right now. Google this word, MetaTrader. MetaTrader 5. If these boys make these motherfuckers, these little tech nerds, clear up their exchanges and put MetaTrader 5 on their shit, boys, we're going to be together for a long, long time, making a lot of money. Lots and lots. Forever. Like forever. You don't even know. You know, I'm a trader. Like, believe me, forever. Once you have MetaTrader, you go to any country you want. Just have your fucking debit card and your passport and your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Whoop! You're good. All right. That's later on in life, though. We don't know if that's going to happen. And that's why I don't talk about that stuff. Because I want to talk to you guys about that stuff. Like, badly, actually. But, you know, it has to come. I mean, there's no point talking if it's not going to be here. So that's why I haven't said that. I haven't really told you guys the truth. But, I mean, I've told you the truth. I mean, you know, I'm not lying to you. I'm just saying, though, actually, there's another step. After we sell our warehouse, I told you guys yesterday, well, you're going to be rich. Well, you got to figure out what to do with the money. And actually, the next step is I'm going to show you what the fuck to do with the money. All right, but that's later, man. Let's talk about stuff today. All right. Bakkt is designed to serve as a scalable on-ramp for institutional, merchant, and consumer projects, so the whole gamut, in digital assets by promoting greater efficiency, security, and utility, said Kelly Loeffler, CEO of Bakkt. We are collaborating to build an open platform that helps unlock the transformative potential of digital assets across global markets and commerce. All right, great. Best thing since sliced bread. However, far from a Bitcoin futures exchange, Bakkt, whose other investors include Microsoft subsidiary M12, Fortress, Susquehanna, Pantera Capital, and Galaxy Digital, is intended to be a full-fledged platform that helps digital assets evolve into a mainstream financial asset class. In bringing regulated, connected infrastructure together within... This sounded like a commercial. Hold on. We got to move the fuck on. I'm not here to be a commercial. Hold on. Once a firm's assets... Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'm here about the money, bitch. I don't give a fuck about... All right. Once a firm's assets are custodied with ICE... All right. Actually, that probably was a little valuable. Hold on. In bringing regulated, connected infrastructure together... It's true. This is true. With institutional and consumer applications for digital assets, we aim to build confidence in the asset class on a global scale. We want everyone to enjoy cryptocurrencies on a global scale, consistent with our track record of bringing transparency and trust to previously unregulated markets. Like what? CBOs, MBS, CDOs? Once a firm, whatever, but they have a track record. That's those things. MBS, mortgage-backed securities, CDOs, credible, collateralized debt obligations. Those are different kinds of assets you can buy. It's not for regular people like us, though. So, but you know, I know about them. But, anyways, once a firm's assets are custodied with ICE. And that's why I said them to you. I mean, look them up. Like I told you, get Investopedia, man. When you're hearing me talk, get Investopedia. And any terminology that I say that you don't understand, like I try to explain it. That's why I spent that 10 minutes on the futures thing. But just go to Investopedia, and that is the textbook kind of. You're going to get the textbook knowledge. You're not going to get the schmarry. Fuck shit, damn motherfucker knowledge of it. You get the proper wording. You know what I mean? I know. My mouth is a little. All right. I'm trying, guys. All right. But bang. Once a firm's assets are what? Custodied with ICE, they will be able to conduct frictionless transactions with other institutions and businesses that are connected to the Bakkt ledger. Bitcoin will greatly simplify the movement of global money, Spectre told the publication. It has the potential to become the first worldwide currency. I told you my opinion yesterday, but we'll see. Toward that end, Bakkt is exploring how to increase Bitcoin's utility as a payment instrument. The announcement states that Starbucks will take an active role in providing consumers with the ability to seamlessly convert their holdings into USD, so that they can use them to pay for items at Starbucks locations. Like, all right, so I know while you're reading this, Shamar, I thought you said you don't think that you should spend it. Look, I didn't say I don't think people are going to buy coffees with Bitcoins. Oh, I know there's a bunch of uneducated economic people. They're economically small. Oh, I know they're going to buy their Starbucks. I said I'm not going to buy my Starbucks with flipping Bitcoin. Are you crazy? I'm not going to spend money to buy digital blah, 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 whatever you want to call it, currency, cryptocurrency, to buy something else. It's stupid. I'm not going to take another step, transaction fees and all that. But I mean, a lot of people are going to, and that's what this show is about. It's about news. And so even though like I said, I give you my opinion, but this is the news. And the reality is, bang, mass adoption. And, some little Maria wants to spend money to buy Bitcoin, to buy something she could have just bought if she just bought it originally. Whatever. None of my business. Just make sure you get the custodianship for these boys. Bang, so I can make my loot. All right. Right, I know. It sounds contradictory, right? Shamori, man, you just said blah, blah, blah yesterday. Like I said, store value. Store value. That's what I think it'll turn out to be. It doesn't mean that people aren't going to be and buy their coffees with it and their Snickers chocolate bars and whatnot. There's going to be millions all over the world that are going to do that. I'm just telling the boys to be smart. That dollar of Bitcoin you spent on Snickers, you could have just taken your fiat and bought that. Because that Bitcoin, 5 months from now, motherfucker, that might be a $10 Snickers bar. All right. Just saying. When Bitcoin goes up, that Snickers bar might have been a lot more expensive than you thought. Anyways, toward that end, it is exploring. Did we already do this? Bitcoin's utility as a payment instrument. The announcement states, we did this. The inactive role, blah, blah, blah. Right. So as the flagship retailer, Starbucks will play a pivotal role in developing practical, trusted, and regulated applications for consumers to convert their digital assets into U.S. dollars to use at Starbucks, said Maria Smith, vice president of Starbucks, blah, blah, payments and all that crap. As a leader in mobile pay to our more than 15 million Starbucks Rewards members, Starbucks is committed to innovation for enabling, blah, 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 the usual CEO fucking corporate bullshit. But while ICE believes it can be the one to take Bitcoin mainstream, it also says that reality likely will not resemble the crypto anarchist. Oh, here we go. Oh, exactly. Let's start this again. But while ICE believes it can be the one to take Bitcoin mainstream, it also says that reality likely will not resemble the crypto anarchist vision harbored by many early crypto adopters. Bitcoin can't survive as a rogue idea, Spectre said in the Fortune profile. To evolve, the cryptocurrencies need to run on established infrastructure. They need the trust and rules that have been built into our financial system for many years. They need the kind of trust that the big board represents. And then blah, blah, blah. They talk about the money and how it happened today. So, yeah, that's it. So, like I said, personally, I don't believe Bitcoin is going to be, they're saying blah, blah, blah. People are going to buy Starbucks coffees with it. Sure they will. They're not too bright. Remember this idiot? Oh, hold on. Let me show you this motherfucker here. Look, let's do this. You want to be this fool? Watch this. Hold on. What was it called? Oh, yeah. This guy was an idiot. All right. Hold on. And this is why I'm saying, you want to buy your coffee with Bitcoin? Watch this, fuckstick. Oh, and I call you a fuckstick because I like you. That's how me and my buddies talk to each other because I love you guys. When me and my buddies talk to each other, we just call each other names. We don't, no one calls me Shamari, right? Your buddy I'll get up and take a piss and they'll be like, yo, dick shit. Go get me a beer, So I'm sorry. I got to calm down, though, because I know you guys don't know about that stuff. Look, 8 years ago today, and this is May 22nd. So what you have to understand is May 22nd, officially, is called, and I'm not even going to let you see the story yet because I got to tell you, May 22nd is officially Bitcoin Pizza Day. If you didn't know about that holiday, well, you know now. In the crypto land, it's Bitcoin Pizza Day. So this year's Bitcoin Pizza Day. Let's look. Why is it called Bitcoin Pizza Day? Because there was some motherfucker and he bought a pizza with Bitcoins. And let's read about that son of a bitch. That's why you could see I just opened it right now. I don't even have it highlighted or anything. I didn't think to say this, but you know, the juice is going, you know. Fuck it. It's Friday night. Let's have some fun. And actually, I have no plans for tonight. I'm staying in. I'm just having a good time tonight at home, quietly, just having a nice quiet night. But anyways, 8 years ago today, brothers, the first reported exchange of Bitcoin for a consumer product, a pair of Papa John's pizzas, took place. Bang! Papa John's was the first one to ever get Bitcoins bought. What do you got? Paid for his, or paid for something, you know, like a regular company stuff, at a total cost of 10,000. Oh my gosh, what a fucking loser! At a total cost of 10,000 Bitcoins, it was a milestone for the adoption of cryptocurrency, and one that has since been commemorated. What is it commemorated? Yes, commemorated through, not though, through the celebration of May 22nd as Bitcoin Pizza Day. Actually, go back to the May 22nd video I have of it. I got a whole show on Bitcoin Pizza Day now, but we know the guy's name who actually, we know the name of this loser who actually bought this pizza. Yet, even the most cursory observation of Bitcoin Pizza Day isn't complete without a calculation of precisely how much in dollar terms those two pizzas cost. With that, CoinDesk is today releasing a new widget that provides a real-time calculation. Oh, that's crazy. So here it is. This guy's pizza. So on what? On May 22nd, 2018, this guy's two pizzas cost him $84,110,700. You fucking loser. Oh my gosh. Stupid motherfucker. 84,000. Oh, million. My bad. What the shit? What the shit am I? Yo, the juice. 84,100,700 is how much that motherfucker would have today. Well, May 22nd, my bad. If he wasn't such a moron buying pizzas, Papa John's pizzas, they do have good vegetables, but their cheese sucks. Today, for two pizzas, that's what we're talking about here. That's $42 million a pizza. Oh my gosh. 40. So, yo, man, I mean, that's $42 million a pizza right there, buddy. I mean, you better have that. I don't know what the toppings were. They better have been like jade, diamonds, gold. Better not have been no pepperoni. Anyway, all right, let's go on. I'm talking crazy. As of press time, that's 83.7 million for the two pies. Or just, they even say it. Of course they do. Anyway, so, and we're not going to read the story, but that's a true thing, guys. That's his name. I wanted to show you his name because he's famous. Well, he's not famous, but they know who he is. What the fuck is this, guys? I didn't read this article. I just Googled it right now while we're talking. Oh, 16 sliced pies. What's his name? All right. Oh, man. That sucks. Oh, there it is. Hold on. Nah. All right, man. Whatever. We got to get to the news, though. I'm not going to just keep you guys sitting here watching me fuck around with this. So that's what I'm saying. Like, it's not that people won't use Bitcoins. It's that you're a fucking... I'm going to try to be nicer. Is that is not very economically wise to do for yourself. So if you have Bitcoins, don't go buying Starbucks with your Bitcoin. Don't go be buying Papa John's pizzas with your Bitcoins, okay? That's not economically wise choice at all. You have money. It's called money, right? If you're here in America, well, Uncle Sam does it. Call greenbacks. If you're over there in Europe, bang, you got your euros. You're over in Britain, got your pounds. You're over there in Canada, you got CAD. If you're there in Turkey, well, I know, shit's fucked up. You guys might want to get some Bitcoin, but don't go spending it on coffee. And that's all I'm saying. You don't want to be the next one to be the famous Bitcoin pizza person. He's worldwide known. Morons. Come on. All right. Now, what are we talking about? Oh. These sneaky sons of bitches. You know how we've been watching Coinbase around here. And look, like I'm telling you, Coinbase, I believe that they're going to be, like I just said, the American portal for crypto. Like, they're going to be our, I don't know, what? Whatever. They're just going to be the big thing for crypto. Like, everyone's going to know that, well, this is the secure, good place you go to do your crypto stuff. And they launched a plugin for e-commerce now. So they not only did they rock us with their custody, and then they rock the institutional guys with the the broker-dealer stuff. And then they were like, oh, you guys want to play games? Bang, we got an exchange for you to party in. Do you see the level? This is the infrastructure getting built. This is what matters to us as traders. We need an infrastructure built. Bang, bang. So certain folks feel safe, institutional investors feel safe, and that they will bring the big money in order to drive up our holdings, to drive up our cryptocurrency warehouses, to let our ARK float when that wave comes. Because there's going to be a wave. Bang. And we're going to float on that bad boy. Bang. All right, let's check it out. US-based cryptocurrency exchange platform Coinbase has announced a new service aimed at improving access to cryptocurrency payment options for e-commerce businesses. So they got the custody ship. They got the retail investors. We get our goods from there. I mean, I do. I get my Bitcoins and then I go out and buy whatever I got to buy. What else do they have? Oh, the exchange, right? What, custody, exchange. And now, bang, payment options for e-commerce. So you want to buy stuff online, on Amazon, on, wherever. Bang, they're going to provide it. You want to use your Bitcoins. Like I said. Look, don't be Bitcoin pizza guy. But I mean, this is mass adoption, and I don't care if all these morons do it. It'll make my holdings go up, and so whatever. I know that's a mean way to say it, but it's the truth. It's going to make your holdings go up, buddies. According to the blog post published Thursday, Coinbase Commerce, the startup's non-custodial cryptocurrency payment solution for merchants, has now launched a plugin for popular e-commerce platform WooCommerce. WooCommerce, going by figures cited by Coinbase, currently provides the payment system for more than 28% of all web stores. So apparently this company sounds pretty huge. Of all this stuff you buy on the internet, they're handling 28% of it. That's big. However, the built with currently estimates the figure is 21%. I don't care. 20% of all the e-commerce, that's amazing. Even so, the addition of the plugin, available on GitHub, now makes cryptocurrency payments via Coinbase to a good chunk of the web's e-commerce sites. It should be noted there are other similar plugins already available, such as Crypto Woo. There it is, a little knowledge for ourselves. The increased access will lead to more widespread adoption and ultimately move us closer to our goal of an open financial system. All right. The blog post also revealed that Coinbase now offers the option of sending of Bitcoin and Litecoin directly from Coinbase Commerce, with Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash also in the pipeline. The news comes just days after Coinbase. Wait, what happened here? The news comes just days after Coinbase opened up its exchange service to the UK customers. That's right. I was going to talk about that. You can now, Coinbase is open, and bang, you can use your pounds. Oh, brothers, I'm sorry, my brothers. Hello, brothers. Well, I'm sorry, mate. I've all forgot about that. But what I'm going to tell you right here is Coinbase is all up and running in your country. That's right. You can put that little British pound right on there right now. Get yourself a little crypto. Get yourself a little Bitcoin. Get yourself a little Litecoin. And get out there and have a little fun. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right. That was a little accent for my brothers. Yes. Yes, my English brothers. My grandmother's British. My grandmother's white. She's a British white lady. Yeah. Who moved to Jamaica and married a black man. So, she was considered very brave at the time. Very revolutionary. Anyways. But all right, boys. So go on. Get on Coinbase. Let's have a little fun, yeah? All right. So, Coinbase Commerce with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bang. Also in the pipeline. Right? They give the news customers. And on July 2nd, the firm launched Coinbase Custody. Why do they gotta keep saying this word, custody? Just gives me a hard on every time. Like, every time I hear it, I'm like, oh, shit. You know what I mean? Like an orgasm. All right. I'm being silly. And on July 2nd, the firm launched Coinbase Custody, a crypto storage service aimed at, damn it. This is so crazy. They always do this to me. At institutional hedge funds. Bang. Another, oh, look at these sons of bitches. And other clients who can deposit holdings of what? A minimum. Minimum. Of 10 what? Not grand. Not grands. Millions. Minimum. That's the minimum to play. That's what I mean. Bang. You see what I'm talking about? I mean, that's the kind of level. When you have a company and you're servicing those folks, the institutional investors, bang, son. I'm going to need 10 million minimum just for you to open this account. Oh, and they have it. Oh, and they have it. These hedge funds, 10 million. To them, there it is. There's your Starbucks motherfucking coffee. To them, 10 million. That's Starbucks coffee. Fuck it. That's cheap. They don't give a shit. Oh, boys. Oh, boys, man. We're having a good time tonight, aren't we? It's true, though. So bang, though. But let's talk truthfully. Coinbase, man, that's really cool. So, so we read about this story, and that's what's cool about tonight's show. Bang. They're doing the Bitcoin market, but they're also, right, these guys said that they're also working with Starbucks, right? There it is. As the flagship retailer for a pivotal role. And now what do we got here? Bang, a nice plugin for online e-commerce solutions. And so I know, I feel kind of stupid, but this is news, so I have to say it. Yesterday I was like, yeah, man, people aren't going to use Bitcoin to buy stuff. Well, it looks like, well, you know, we'll see. I'm not going to, but we'll see. Bang. Bang. Now, this is the thing. And so this is more regulatory. Look at this old fucker. Oh, giving the thumbs down. Why y'all like that, bro? Why you gotta be like that? But it's true. It's true. This ex-ETF guy, he says it. And I agree as well. There is going to be a Bitcoin ETF one. Oh, many of them. There's not going to be one. There's going to be fucking, I don't know how many, but lots. But this year, I don't think so. And that's why I'm saying, I think next year is when we're going to get our true launch of institutional infrastructure set up nicely. So Q1, Q2, nice infrastructure setup. And then by the summer of next year, June, July, August. Look. Next year, June, July, August. Here they come. Here they flipping come. That's so. So what am I trying to say? Well, I'm trying to tell you that in terms of infrastructure setup, and then the onslaught of the whales. So I believe you have time to buy stuff still. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, blah blah blah. I know that I'm all happy when I see the red right now because I want to buy. Well, it's not red today, is it? Look at that. It's a little green. Like, oh, yesterday was beautiful. But yeah, and by June, by next, look, boys, if you believe what I say or you kind of trust what I say or anything, like, I don't really know, but get ready for next June. Get ready for next June. You better have that warehouse full. You better have that motherfucking ark built. You better have your bucket ready and your surfboard are good to go. Greased up and good to go. Because next June, maximum. Oh, that's the problem. So don't listen to me exactly. Like, don't plan on every word. Because look how Coinbase tricked me. So don't plan on everything, but by next June for sure. Oh, that's guaranteed. Look. Okay, get your stuff ready for next June. And in fact, I would say forget June because these guys are moving fast. You see how they tricked? Pop, pop, pop. You see how yesterday we read? Oh, Goldman Sachs is quietly building its trading desk for crypto already. These guys are getting all sneaky. They're sneaky because they don't want their competitors to know. We know. Shamari's on duty, bros. Don't worry about that. But, and my estimate is, so March, end of March, get your stuff ready by March. I thought you just said June, dog. I know. But get there three months early because look how fast they're working. Because the party's going to start next year. The party is starting next year. Like, we're not going to have red days next year. I'll tell you that right now. Like I told you, this channel right now, I'm patting you on the head, telling you to chill out, be strong. Just get your refurbished laptop and chill or do whatever you got to do. Tell the wife to hold on. Yeah. Oh, right? Next year, after April, this channel, I'm not going to be telling you to hodl because you're broke and getting broker. I'm going to be telling you to hodl because you're getting rich and richer. But I got to tell you, because you're going to be getting more and more and more and more if you just hodl on a bit. You know, it's a transformation. It's a process that's about to happen. Tell you right now, bang. Anyway, that's my analysis. I mean, I'm not always right. I mean, look what I said yesterday. I said you're not going to be buying coffee with your Bitcoins. But bang, Starbucks is playing a pivotal role. Yeah. So, well, that's a different story altogether, isn't it? That's just a different thing. But that's my estimate, all right? So during it, but let's get to this thing. So the ETF, he says it's unlikely that a Bitcoin ETF will be passed this year, and I agree. Like I said, it's political year right now. What do you call this shit? Election year. These motherfuckers, like I said, they're just kissing babies and promising the world to people right now. They're not worried about actually legislating. They are legislators. Do your job. They're not going to be legislating this year. So during an interview with CNBC crypto trader Mark Brady, an ex-ETF builder of BlackRock. Oh, what? Remember we read about BlackRock? 2-point-something trillion under management? Stated that the cryptocurrency community would probably not see Bitcoin ETF by the end of this year. I agree. I don't think we're going to see it. Like I said, these politicians are just going to be bullshitting everyone, getting their votes and whatnot. Brady also said that from the standpoint of mass retail acceptance, an ETF is very important to the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Okay, do tell, brother. Let's see. This is because an exchange-traded fund is basically a container. Well, okay, this is good. So here it is, an ETF. You don't have to hear it from my mouth. You can hear it from a professional. This is because an exchange-traded fund, ETF, is basically a container which allows the customers to put capital into different underlying assets. These assets may be difficult for an average retail investor to get exposure to, stated Brady. But all you do is you buy the ETF, bang, and you're exposed to it. The ex-ETF builder continued to say that a good example for such exposure would be fixed income investments. According to him, a fixed income is traded in normally large notional values, while an ETF allows for a retail investor to get exposure to cryptocurrencies on a much smaller size. So you can buy the ETF itself, and it'll have a basket. It's called a basket of assets. That's what funds are. Funds? Oh, I never did say this to you fucking guys. All right. A fund is a basket of assets. So, for instance, you at your job right now, you have what's called a 401k. Your 401k manager, he's a fund manager. That's what your 401k is. It's just a fund. And that fund manager has a basket. It's called a basket of assets. So your 401k manager, he might have blah, 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 1,000 shares of Microsoft, blah, 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 1,000 shares of Ford, blah, 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 1,000 shares of, I don't know, GlaxoSmithKline, like that. And it's they're all combined into what's called a fund. And what you have, what you get paid for is the combination of all that in the fund. And then the fund's value is derived from the underlying assets. And, yeah, that's how it works. And so that's how your 401k works. That's how all these funds work. So when you hear me say hedge fund, well, that's a little different. Not really. Okay. And so when you hear me say hedge fund, that's the reason why a hedge fund is only allowed to accept what's called accredited investors. People who can lose over $1 million a year and not feel it. You have to apply to the government to be an accredited investor. Once you get your accredited investor, it's not a license, but the go-ahead, then you can get into a hedge fund. Why? Because hedge funds, well, your 401k guy, he just has your own Microsoft and Starbucks and that. Well, you're a hedge fund guy. Woo! He's going off. Your hedge fund guy, he ain't doing no vanilla trades with just a little Microsoft and Starbucks. He's getting you into the business. He's getting you into Forex. He's getting you CDOs, MBS, all that good stuff. The big money. And that is the big money. That's why you have to have big money just to get into it. Because if you're just a retail investor, you can be wiped out. And they're not allowing those guys. And that's the power of the SEC. Oh, man, these guys are always just for the rich man. No, man. That's why the SEC doesn't even allow those guys to let you sign up. Because if you did, you get wiped the fuck out. I can't sign up. I mean, jeez. I know what the fuck I'm doing. I wouldn't sign up. I'd just do it myself, actually. I know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Look. Yeah, that's what these funds are about, okay? Bang, man, you got a bunch of lessons tonight, boys, in economics. All right. Anyways, so he went on to state that a Bitcoin ETF wouldn't be the reason for institutional investors to invest in cryptocurrency, as there are more systematic pieces in the ecosystem which need to be in place. This includes solutions such as, do you notice how this word keeps coming up? That's why you come here, boys. I know the word. Oh, and like I said, I'm tattooing on my wife's face. Sorry, ladies. Seriously. Custodianship. This includes solutions such as custody before true institutional investors will start participating, stated Brady. Bang! That's why you come here. I give you the true knowledge, boys. True. You know what I mean? Your Ripples ain't going to be $10 next month. But custodianship is going to bring in, bang, true institutional investors who will start participating. Notably, the beginners of such solutions have already been seen in technologies such as Coinbase custody. That's who we've been watching because they're the first ones. I'm telling you, November, December, all that, I bet you I'm going to have stories on just the next guy doing custody. The next guy. Yesterday we talked about who did the custody. Was it Goldman Sachs? Was it JP Morgan? I don't remember, but it was one of those two. Oh, yeah. All right. But you see what I'm saying? These stories are going to escalate severely. Mark said, I don't really foresee any Bitcoin market being regulated by the year end. And fragmentation of liquidity means that you are unlikely to see one market have large dominance over the overall trading volume of Bitcoin. Not by year end. We'll see. Furthermore, he spoke about his, just my opinion. Furthermore, he spoke about his perspective on the dissent published by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commissioner Hester Pierce. Brady stated that there is infighting clearly occurring in the SEC. So what's going on is, inside the SEC, you have all these commissioners. Yeah, they don't all agree, right? One commissioner has his idea. This chick has her idea. Remember we talked about that girl the other day? What's her name? Hold on a second. I didn't write her name down. Anyways, the cryptocurrency czar. She's a cryptocurrency czar, right? So there's infighting, right? Like they don't, that's how things work. I mean, obviously. So infighting clearly occurring in the SEC regarding the approval of a Bitcoin ETF. And then Pierce wrote a very nice piece outlining the community's opinion. He said that it is very unlikely to get a Bitcoin ETF by the end of 2018. He further stated, but I think broadly speaking, when you're talking about ETFs, you talk about the ecosystem. And I've mentioned before that the lack of a qualified, look at this word, damn it. Actually, I didn't see this when I read it the first time. the lack of a qualified what? Custodian in the ecosystem. And I think until there is a regulated exchange with proper governance, there is a variety of custodian solutions. You're not going to see ETF approved by them. Right, until this custodianship, we've talked about this, guys. And that's a bunch of bullshit there. So, bang. So we're back to the custodianship thing. Wow. Coinbase does have the custodianship, but like I said, they're only one company, and the regulators, the politicians, the legislators, like I said, this is a political season, kissing babies, promising stuff. They're not going to be worried about our little thing right now. But once we get nice, large-scale mass custodianship, and then we get the rule book, we're good to go. And, so this thing was about ETFs. But ETFs can come faster, but like we don't need the SEC for that. The ETFs are regulated by a different entity. And so all they need is their what? Bang. A custodian. And they'll be ready to rock. And remember, an ETF, they buy physical Bitcoins. An ETF buys physical Bitcoins. And then, you buy a share of the ETF, right? That's what we need. Physical buyers. Bang. We need these boys to buy them physically. And that's what the first story was about as well. Was it the first story? Hold on. Is this the one? Wait a minute. Yes. Right? The first story as well. What did we hear? Oh, yes. It is this one. What did they say? That they're going to rock, bang, they're going to list a physically settled futures product. So you buy your futures, bang, son, you have to take that. There's no just buying it and like giving it away. You got to take it. So that's going to drive our holdings up. So we see everything coming nicely into play. Guys, it's Friday night. Oh, Shmore, man. Come on, let me get out of here. I know, and I want to get out of here. Actually, I could just talk to you guys forever. I don't want to get out of here. I have a quiet night, but let's go. All right. Let's go. And so that's, again, it. We are talking mass adoption, ETFs coming online. Soon. Not now. Like I said, the politicians, they're not going to do anything for a while till after their elections. But we have ETFs online. And so that shows that things are happening fast. What was it? We also saw mass adoption tonight. Starbucks said it's going to work with ICE. The owners of the New York Stock Exchange to bring mass adoption. So, guys, good news for all of us. That's more of a calibration of the mind stories that I brought out today. It's not going to come too fast. It's not going to be too early. Don't sleep. Build your ark. Build that. Build your ark now. Don't wait. Don't wait. But you see, there's time. Remember, it's a process. It's like anything. It's like a court trial, right? It's a process. First, you got to do the grand jury. Then you got to go in, and then you got to pick jury members. Then you got to do opening statements. Then the prosecution brings up their people. One witness. He gets to question the witness. Defense gets to question the witness. Witness done. Bang. And until those witnesses are done, you just keep talking to them. Then, all right, now the defense, they get to say their thing and bring in their witness. And then both sides get to question it and done. Then, off to the jury. See, it's a process, right? This is processes. And that's what we're going through. We're just going through a little crypto process. You are going to be rich. You just got to wait for the process to work through, brothers. Just wait. Settle down. Bang. I know. We're all hungry. Don't worry. It's coming. It's money in the bank, brothers. All right. Let's talk now. Bang. Oh, here's what we're doing. That's true. That's true. We're not even done with YouTube yet, are we? All right. Or the internet yet. Bang. All right. Oh, so let's start with this first, the honey money thing. So I'm not going to report on this anymore. I'm just going to tell you. So it is working. GPU not working. Same thing. I configure that machine. Look, if you want to do honey mining, like I said, last verdict. And this is the very last verdict. If you got some old piece of shit lying around 64-bit, slap it on there. Done. But other than that, don't worry your head about it. Don't worry your head about it. Don't worry your head about it. All right. Now we got, what do we got? Airdrops. Bang, you guys are rocking. I know for the past 3 days I haven't rocked. My mind is all a little messed because I'm in full-on Forex mode right now. Like, to tell you the truth, I do these just for you guys. Just for you guys right now. Because I feel as if, obviously I've taken the responsibility to make this channel and stuff, and people actually come here and subscribe, so you expect some news. And so I make it a point to give you some and talk and give you my knowledge. But actually right now, guys, I am in full Forex mode. And like last night, that's why what was that video was on like at 2 a.m. This one's right now, it's 10:40. You're not going to see this probably till midnight. But anyways, bang, airdrops. So let's hurry up then, motherfucker, and put that on there. True. Yes, I will. All right. Who do we got? Who do we got? Bang, there's Ronkes. Yes, the fundamentalist. Bang, bang, bang. Who else do we got? BHR coin. All right. He's doing airdrops, though, so I don't know what kind of coin he has. Oh, he murdered him. Oh, let's talk about the coins then. What does he have? Oh, the Castor Network. Bang. What else? Registry blocks. Bang. STX token. Bang. Yeah, this guy's murdering. Stronghold. I got to do all these guys. I know. I haven't done any of them. Mate Gomez. What's up, lady? Bang. Oh, look at what do you got? Medicap coin. Bang. Like the tweet. Thank you. Consto Taylor. Bang. See you. Ronkes. There's the Minister of Airdrops. Look, guys. So we're going into the weekend, and this is when usually Bob gets a little ruthless on you. So you got to get there. You got to get there. Bang. I want you all to go to Twitter at Bob384411. Listen, let me start again. At Bob, B-O-B, 844-11320. Airdrops. You're going to get free airdrops. What airdrops are these pre-ICO, what do you call these? Crypto companies. They give you coins for tweeting and doing stuff. Basically, you do a little advertising for them. They give you free coins. And Bob knows where to get all those free coins from all those pre-ICO people. Some of them pan out, some of them don't. But, hey, just to make a tweet, you never know. That could be a $10,000 tweet one day. So, bang. All right. I'm telling you, better get in there. Don't slip. Don't sleep. All right. I know the brothers know already, though. Bang. All right. So what are we talking to? Who are we talking to here now? Taylor, there was Bob. Bang. Oh, BHR coin. Buddy, you're really rocking, aren't you? All right. Thanks being with us. Dogestankanon. What do we got? Oh, Mikkel van Brienen. Brother. Brienen. I love that guy's name. I told you, it reminds me of my favorite dish in Germany, braten and rosekraut. Rosekraut, sauerkraut made with red cabbage instead of the white one. Delicious. I know, it's so silly. I'm probably hungry. Maybe that's why I bring these things up. Edwin. Bang, brother. Bang. Paul Pentel. Nice. Malik Farouk. Brother. Romy Putra. Bang. Put on some clothes, brother. You're all naked in there. Just kidding. Have a fun time, do what you do, Every man for himself. Vigil, Mary Global. Sweet. Yes, Ronkus. Yes, Bobs. Whoa. Oh, there he is. Here, dropper. Oh, we're all the way at August 1st. All right, let's back it up. Oh, there he man is. J. Will. Look. And I know you hear a lot of crap. You hear a lot of crap from your wives and your friends and whatnot. But around these parts, we've got a little saying. Shut up, wife. Oh, I just did the Noah thing. I don't even know if I should say this now. Hope she's not watching. But look, shut up, wife. I'm about that whole life. Don't give up. Don't give in. Don't give in. We got work to do, boys. We have work. All right, guys. So let me let you get the fuck on now for real. Shmori, man, you going to keep talking? All right, let's stop it. Bang. Let's stop it and get to the real. Guys, I love doing this for you guys. I hope you learned something this week. I hope we all did. And, we know what we're waiting for. So, bang, right? And let's stay strong together. Let's have a little fun. It's Friday night. Go get your drink on. Bang. It's Shamari Clark, boys. This is fucking Shamari motherfucking Clark. And it's like it is. Bang. Bang. All of you. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, I did say I was going to do weekly wrap-ups, didn't I? All right. 1 second, though. So, for the week, what did we see? Hold on. I know. But we got to do a little professional-like, right? I know. All right. So, this week, what do we see? Data Tech Study. They gave us the high net worth individuals. They told us that they are more interested in buying crypto. Korea, unleash their whales. The SEC cryptocurrencies are. We talked about her. Bang. The new exchange that is using ripples only. Boom. Coinbase, upping their game. Northern Trust Custody Services. So the new big boy bringing in a new custody. Bang, bang, bang. You know that word. Stellar Decentralized Exchange. So Stellar came out with the decentralized exchange. Bang. The new Tron wallet we talked about yesterday. Was it yesterday? Oh, not yesterday. But the new Tron wallet we talked about. And crypto CFD laws in Europe. Man, Europe, they are giving you the business. 1 to 2 leverage. Holy shit. Oh, that's the other thing. That's what we're also waiting for. When the SEC drops their stuff, we got to see what leverage we're going to get on our trading. So we'll get to that later. Like I said, this is a process like a court case. So don't worry, boys. I got it. Bitcoin use falling. Bang. VeChain completes the swap in the new wallet. And Morgan Stanley Crypto. So that's what we learned this week. This week in crypto land. We're making all our money in crypto land. All right, brothers, this time, we're going to do it properly. So, this is Shamari Clark, Friday night. Everyone go have fun. Go make love to your wife or whoever. Have a great time. And I will see you guys Monday. Fresh and ready to report. Shamari Clark. Always on duty. Bang. Over and out.